Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. The disclaimer for this podcast is that whatever stocks we discuss are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. Here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. Uh, Understanding Nifty price volume action is very key in order to gauge the market. Also, I'll give a perspective about Nifty, overall market status from O'Neill perspective. Uh, you can see Nifty has lacking momentum after budget session. Budget session has seen a huge volatility, and the volume was also very higher on the budget session, which is expected. But normally, what we'll see after budget session is we would see a clear trend happening in the market, either on the upside or on the downside. But now there is no major action happening in the index. It is moving sideways with volumes also coming down, which is not a positive sign. Also, the last 2 months, Nifty has been trading near its 18,000 level, 17,500 levels. You can see here this level. That is the reason its moving averages have also converged. 50 to, and 121 DMAs are trading very near. They are 200 points uh, closer to each other. So also Nifty is trading near these levels. So it's a very tricky position for the index. It is finding resistance at its 50 DMA, which is red line here. You can see a couple of times it has found resistance and it was not able to close above these levels. So until then, this level 50 DMA will definitely act as a resistance going forward as well. For the index to reclaim this level, we would like to see good buying happening in the trading stocks, and also volume should also be on the higher side, indicating good action from the institutional investors is needed because they have the huge money power which is needed for the index to close higher. Until then, the momentum will be on the lower side. We might not see any momentum on either direction. If and only if volume comes up, then only we'll see the momentum in the index. We have released a short note on the Nifty index and volume activity for the last 1 month, and going forward, what are the levels we are looking into. A small report, two-pager report we have released yesterday. It is on the product as well. You can look into it to know what is our view on the market. Coming to the O'Neill perspective, we have been in the rally attempt for the last 1 month. Nifty has not been able to get and follow through day, indicating a strong buying happening in the market. That is lacking. However, Nifty reclaimed its 100 DMA recently. That is the reason we have turned on the buy switch and we have added few stocks to model portfolio as well. However, if the follow through day happens, then the conviction will be on the higher side, and the probability of breakouts being successful will also be on the higher side. On the downside, if the Nifty breaches budget day low, that is 70,300 level, then we might see further selling happening in the market, and the market status will also be changed to downtrend. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session are Bharat Electronics has signed a memorandum of understanding with DRDO for an program related to advanced medium combat aircrafts. Biocon, a leading pharmaceutical company, has raised more than 1,000 crores by issuing non-convertible debentures of face value of 1 lakh rupees each. And the tenure of these NCDs, that is non-convertible debentures, is 5 years. ITI, the government has appointed Rajesh Rai as a chairman and managing director for the company ITI for a period of 5 years, effective. India Ratings has come up with the GDP growth rate for the GDP growth to 5.9%. for FY24. Yesterday, talking about institutional activity, yesterday, foreign institutional investors have bought 525 crores of equities, whereas domestic institutional investors have sold 235 crores of Indian equities yesterday. Foreign institutional investors being net buyers in the Indian market is very positive sign. We would like to see more and more buying happening from these foreign institutional investors. Global markets, specifically US market, closed pretty much lower, more than 2% lower. Major three indices, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, closed more than 2% lower. Monday, US market was closed. On Tuesday, this is the reaction happened on the index. So definitely the Qs are global Qs are definitely on the negative side. Asian markets are also trading on the lower negative territory. You can see Shanghai is trading with a lower of 0.1% decline, whereas Kospi and Nikkei are trading pretty much lower, more than 1.3 to 1.5% lower as we speak. So definitely the global cues are negative, and SGX Nifty is indicating a slightly muted opening with a bias related to on the lower opening. So we might see slightly 40-50 point lower opening on the Nifty index, but due to global cues, negative global cues, we might see Nifty trading in the negative territory. But if the domestic cues comes up or any leading stocks such as Reliance, HDFCs perform well, definitely we might see Nifty turning in. For the chart of the day, we picked Cummins India. The stock is currently trading in the ideal buy zone. Recently, it went up above its ideal buy zone and came back to its ideal buy zone in the yesterday's session. The overall on the ratings wise, the stock is looking very good. You can see EPS of 87 indicates a strong, fundamentally strong company. Technical ratings such as RS strength of 84 and ABD rating of A minus are also indicating a strong technical character for the company. The stock is clearly trading above its moving averages. Number of funds, which is a key parameter we'll look into in any stock, is also looking very positive for the company. You can see number of funds invested in the company have been increasing quarter on quarter for the last 4 quarters. Again, a positive sign. So overall, on the fundamental side and technical side, the stock is looking good. And holding trend, canceling ratings are also very good. That is the reason we have added this stock to our buy watch list, and stock performs well in the sessions. Going forward, we might add it to portfolio. The volume comes up as well. If you have this stock in your portfolio, you can continue to hold it, and you can keep stop loss related to your buy price. Thanks.